Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXCL. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXCL was established in 2006 in Saint Vincent The Grenadines and is regulated by the Financial Services Authority. This broker offers several types of promotions, an intuitive insurance program, multi-account manager software, and much more. FXCL is an excellent choice for copy trading, hedging, and competitive trading. But there are many accounts to choose from, and these accounts are suitable for beginners and all styles of advanced trading. As a client, you will have access to a trading glossary, in-depth market analytics, news updates, and 24-hour customer support. This broker offers more than 6 account types, and you can start trading with as little as $1. FXCL offers both fixed spreads and floating spreads on dozens of forex pairs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, and you can easily buy precious metals or invest in some of the most popular cryptocurrencies and indices when you join FXCL. Typical spreads start from as low as 0 pips, but may vary from one account to the next, so make sure to check the detailed account specifications before you open an account. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 2,000 when trading with FXCL. However, if you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view spreads, swaps, and margin calls offered, hover your cursor over the Services tab and head over to the Trading Terms page. If you need any assistance, you can reach the FXCL customer support team via live chat and email. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. One of the main reasons why people trade with FXCL is that this broker offers many different promotions and bonuses. New FXCL clients are eligible for first step promotions and can participate in the free coupon draw to win prizes. If you are moving to FXCL from a different broker, you can get up to $2,000 or 170% in bonus rewards. FXCL also offers 2 types of cashback rewards, and you can subscribe to the automatic cashback program or open a cashback account and join the loyalty program to earn tradable credits. With the FXCL Smart Bonus Reward, you can earn up to 100% deposit bonus, and this bonus can run on multiple accounts. FXCL will also reward you with a 100% deposit bonus on your birthday, and each client is eligible for 1 birthday bonus every year. If you are a competitive trader, we recommend checking out the contests and competitions hosted by FXCL. If you have already missed any of the contests, don't worry, because most of them are recurring either weekly, monthly, or annually. To keep track of FXCL's contests, we recommend bookmarking their contests calendar page. FXCL provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. The homepage highlights some of the perks of being a client, and you can access a detailed account comparison table directly from this page. Further down the page, you will find more information about FXCL's partnerships, payment methods, and news updates, along with some of the main reasons why people trade with this broker. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Education tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you do decide to join this broker. As a FXCL client, you can use MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. This platform can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You can use MetaTrader 4 on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you would prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, hover your cursor over the Services tab and head over to the Platform page for a full list of features and direct download links. If you are interested in copy trading, you can subscribe to FXCL's copy trading services as either a follower or a signal provider. Copy trading allows you to use a fully automated trading system with advanced risk management features, even if you have no experience. The best part is no minimum deposit is required, and all you need to do is open an ECN Copy Pro account and choose a signal provider to follow. Additionally, FXCL also provides multi-account manager software with unlimited trading strategies, and this is a great alternative to using demo accounts or copy trading if you are new to trading or don't have a lot of time to do research. MAM accounts are managed by professional investors, and these accounts give you an opportunity to invest real money and build a real portfolio with minimal experience. There are a total of 7 types of accounts that you can open with FXCL, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. FXCL clients can open up to 20 demo accounts and up to 8 live accounts per user. When you are ready to open a live account, you can choose from 7 account types, including a special contest account. The contest account is an automatic market execution account that is designed specifically for FXCL's competitions, and it can only be used to trade forex and metals. This account can be used as a swap-free account, and hedging is generally allowed. However, swap-free accounts cannot be used for hedging. The spreads on the contest account are floating, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 1000 is allowed when using this account. If you are looking for an account with floating spreads, then you can open either a start account, an interbank cent account, an interbank standard account, or an ECN Pro account. The start, interbank send, and interbank standard accounts are commission-free, and hedging is allowed on all accounts, apart from swap-free accounts. These are all market execution accounts that can be used as swap-free accounts, and each account offers unique spreads and leverage. Using the start account, you can leverage your trades by up to 2,000 times, and the spreads on this account typically start from 1.5 pips. The interbank send and interbank standard accounts offer spreads from 1.1 pips, and have a leverage limit of up to 1 to 500. If you'll be using an ECN Pro account, spreads will start from around 0.1 pips, and the leverage limits are up to 1 to 300 for Forex and metals, 1 to 100 for indices, and up to 1 to 10 for cryptocurrencies. If you'd prefer to trade with fixed spreads, FXCL offers two types of accounts with instant market execution. Both of these accounts are commission-free and have spreads starting from 1 pip. There are no restrictions on the strategies you can use when you open an account with FXCL. Most accounts can be used as swap-free accounts, and no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, swap-free accounts are only eligible for Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FXCL offers, hover your cursor over the Services tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FXCL will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FXCL homepage and then click on the Open Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. Within the client portal, you can open live or demo accounts, check on promotions, view copy trading, and much more. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been set up, verified, and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXCL. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of only $1 is required to open an account with FXCL, and your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, euros, or the Nigerian naira. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Perfect Money, FazzaPay, and several other methods. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of these supported deposit methods. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. FXCL provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. You can use their trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. This broker also provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking the FXCL blog page for insights into the latest news, trading techniques, and market insights. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, FXCL offers flexible accounts and many exciting opportunities to increase your chances at becoming a successful trader. FXCL is also an excellent choice for copy trading, and this broker offers premium multi-account manager software and managed investment services. This is a beginner-friendly broker with commission-free accounts, tight spreads, and low minimum deposit requirements. FXCL offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FXCL. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.